Do you or your bed partner snore a lot? Snoring, while it is common in conditions such as common cold, regular snoring can be because of an underlying condition called obstructive sleep apnea. Now, OSA is not something that's benign. It's a serious condition and can lead to hypertension, that's increased blood pressure, diabetes, and increased risk of heart attacks and strokes also. Now, if you know someone who snores, do ask them to get your sleep study done and please share this reel with them. Thank you.